Hello and welcome. This is Rodney with Blockchain Rain. All right, so Wall Street traded $572 million. What? $572 million in Bitcoin futures during Tuesday's bull run. $572 million. What does that mean? Well, the Bitcoin price is rallying, and this time it looks like Wall Street has shown up to the party. On Tuesday, Bitcoin briefly broached the $8,500 threshold on Bitfinex for the first time since mid-May. And while it has since pulled back several $100s from that 2-month high, it has nevertheless risen 10% in the past week and 29% over the course of a month. And we can definitely see this right here. Okay, so July 24th, $8,424.27. All right, that is a 2-month all-time high. Okay, so as noted by Maddie Greenspan, a senior market analysis at eToro, this rally was fueled in the spot markets by the usual suspects, traders in Japan and South Korea, who provided a surge of volume to help push the Bitcoin price past key levels. According to the volume on exchanges, it seems clear that the rally is being led by East Asia, right? That's nothing new. That's for the most part has always been the case. All right, Greenspan wrote and commentary provided to CCN. The US dollar had a spike as well, but it was much more focused, meaning that the Americans only participated during the extreme part of the surge and less in the before and after party. That's not to say that the US was absent from the rally. In fact, Greenspan said trading data from the Chicago-based derivatives exchanges CME and CBOE, the only two regulated U.S. exchanges to list Bitcoin futures, suggests that Wall Street wants a piece of the action. Bitcoin futures. If you do not know, if you're unfamiliar with Bitcoin's futures, all right, it's basically Bitcoin for the stock market. Okay, and this article right here by Cointelegraph does a great job of explaining Bitcoin's futures. I will leave the link below in the description, so that you can read over that when you get some time. Tuesday trading volume on CME reached 12,878 contracts across all expiration dates, worth an equivalent 64,390 Bitcoin. CBOE traders exchanged 7,138 contracts, each equivalent to 1 BTC, bringing total U.S. Bitcoin futures volume to 71,528 Bitcoin at $8,000 per coin. The mean of Tuesday's opening and settlement price in CME's August futures market, this translates into a daily volume of $572.2 million. That is a lot of money. That's a lot of money to throw at something you don't believe in, right? So they must believe in it, right? You don't just throw that money anywhere. That volume is still minor relative to the global cryptocurrency marketplace. Of course, even on the low, we're still at 2 billion, so over 2 billion. So, yeah, of course, it is small compared to the whole market, and really small compared to the stock market in general, right? So the worldwide Bitcoin spot market saw more than 7.7 billion in volume on Tuesday, according to CoinMarketCap. Again, that's a lot. It's a lot going on in the crypto space right now. Okay, so moreover, Hong Kong-based cryptocurrency margin trading platform BitMEX reported that it saw a record 1 billion XBT contracts traded during a 24-hour period on Tuesday, worth more than $8 billion. The vast majority of this, more than $7 billion, was concentrated in XBT and USD markets. Of course. So, nevertheless, this uptick in Bitcoin futures volume could serve rather as another in a growing list of data points and anecdotes that suggest Wall Street is beginning to make a strategic entry into this nascent ecosystem. Of course, right? So every day we've seen Wall Street investors, traditional investors, big institutions, big players in Wall Street running toward Bitcoin, blockchain, cryptocurrency. That's where they're headed. Remember, we have to follow this smart money. So what does that mean for us? Well, if you're not in a good place, I'm not saying FOMO. And no one's saying FOMO. But make sure that your ducks are in a row, because there may be a bull run. It may come sooner than we think. What do you think? Will we have a bull run this year? Will we hit $20,000? Will we surpass it? Bitcoin, I'm speaking of. What about the altcoins? Will they follow? Or will it just be time for Bitcoin? What do you think? Well, please, I would love to hear your comments down below. And as always, like, subscribe, or dislike so I can improve. All right. And, well, Bitcoin's on the move. Okay, well, there you have it. This is Rodney with Blockchain Rain. Have a wonderful, wonderful evening.